Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Claude CLI version with OmniRoute, the pre-AI gateway that provides 1.3 billion tokens per month. So what we will do, first we will set up OmniRoute and then we will set up it with Claude. So I will go down, we will go to the quick start. I'll click on this quick start. So it will take us to this quick start. So I'll copy the paste command. So for this you need that Node.js is installed on your system because we need npm and npm come packaged together with Node.js. So first we will open here cmd and I will paste that command here and now it will install OmniRoute. So now OmniRoute is installed, it is set up, so we will run OmniRoute. So for that we will use the second command OmniRoute. Hit enter and it will open OmniRoute in your browser. We have to wait, it will start the server and now you can see it is opened here. Now I'll copy this password from here. This is the default password. Paste it here and click continue. It's not working, so I'll copy it again and I'll paste it here. Now click continue and now you can see we are logged in. So now we will set up some providers. If I come to this endpoint, we will use this as a base URL and make sure that this is running and this is active as well. Cloud OmniRoute. Now we will go to providers and have free tiers. If I click on this free tier, so all of these are free. Now some of them can be connected without API key, but some of them need API key like Gemini, OpenCode, and those which can be connected without API key or Cloudflare, Ulama, AI21 Labs. So all of them can be connected without API key. And here if I come to this AI21 Labs, add connection, and here I'll type free in API key and I'll use this import free models and click save. So now you can see it has imported two models. I'll close this and I will go back, and now if I go to free tiers you can see AI21 Labs is connected. Now we need this anti-gravity because it has Claude Opus. So I've already connected this, but I will delete this for you and I will add it again. I'll add this, so it will open a pop-up, log in with your Google account, sign in, copy this. Now come again to browser, click on enter URL manually and paste the URL here and connect. And now anti-gravity CLI is connected. So we can now use its models like Claude Opus 4.6 Thinking, Gemini 3.1 Pro. I'll go back to providers. Now we will go down and we will search for OpenCode. So we will this one OpenCode free. So OpenCode provide these models: Backpackle, Minimax, Link, Nemotron. So now we will go back. So now you can see here we have set up 7 of these 101 free tiers providers. You can connect all of them one by one. That will increase your token limit. So now I will go down here to this combos and we will create a combo. I've already created these, but I will delete them. I'll create a new one. I'll create a new combo, give it a name, Claude free stake, like next. Here you can add the models, browse them, and you can see all of them. So I'll select them one by one. Now all of the models are selected, so click on done. Now from here you can change the priority. So for us this anti-gravity CLI Claude Opus 4.6 will be selected first and then so on. Now go down and click next. From here you can select the context length. I will use 1 million. Click next and it will create your combo. As you can see, combo is created. Now if I click on this test now, so now you can see here those models which are showing okay, they will work, and those who are showing error, these are from previous combos which I have deleted, so that is why they are showing error. So I'll close this and now we will set up this in Claude. So for that first we will install Claude. So I'll search here Claude, go to the first link, read documentation, quick start, go down, and here the installation method is given for PowerShell as well as command prompt. So I'll copy this command prompt and here we will open a new cmd and I will paste the command. Hit enter. So in a bit it will install Claude, so we will wait. So now the installation is complete. So if I use here Claude, so it will open Claude here. But first we will do some more settings. So for that I will close this. I'll minimize this and minimize this as well. I'll close this as well. And now I'll come to this PC users. HP is my user, and here we will search for .claude folder and we will open the settings.json. I'll open it in VS Code. You can open it in any editor. Now I'll open Notepad and we will execute these commands in our CMD. So I'll copy this first one. Or first let me change these. So I'll come here to my browser and first I will go to endpoints. I'll copy the endpoint. I'll come here to Notepad and I will paste it here. Then we'll go again to the browser. I'll click on this API key and I'll create a new API key. I'll name this Claude Code CLI and hit enter and click on this create to create the API key. I'll copy the API key and I'll paste it right here. I'll copy these commands, type CMD here and I'll paste anyway. So now you can see success specified values was saved. Now we will use another command OmniRoute space setup happen Claude. I misspelled OmniRoute, so OmniRoute space setup happen Claude. Now I'll remove this JSON from the settings.json file and I will paste these lines. Now I'll change the base URL Anthropic API key and I'll make this auto. We will again go to browser. From here I'll go to this endpoints and I'll copy the base URL and I'll paste it here. Then we have the API key. So for that I'll come to this API keys and I'll create a new API key here. I'll name this Claude token and create the API key. I'll copy the API key and now I'll come here to I'll paste it here. I'll control S this. I'll close this. I'll minimize this. I'll close this as well. And I'll come here, type CMD again, and I'll use Claude. Yes. Say yes. If I send it a hi, as you can see, it has started working. Make sure that your active endpoint is running. Cloud OmniRoute is active. If I again come here and the server is also running. Now I'll ask it to write me a tic-tac-toe game and HTML, CSS and JavaScript with full functionality and in one index.html file. Here it is asking, do you want to create index.html? I'll say yes, allow all edits during this session. So now it has created this and see user index.html. So I'll copy this. I'll come to this new tab and paste it here. Now you can see it has opened the tic-tac-toe game and I can play it. Now you can see it is a draw. I'll reset score. Now you can see X1. I can reset. So in this way you can use OmniRoute with Claude Code and can create projects because it has more than 1 billion tokens. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.